Good morning, students. Today, in this session, we will see few more problems on Heron's formula. A little application type. Okay? How this Heron formula can be applied in our day-to-day life. How the problems can be solved. The problems related to our day-to-day life. Okay? Let me take one problem. PQRS is a quadrilateral path in which PQ is equals to 5 meter, QR is equals to 12 meter, RS is equals to 17 meters, PS is equals to 10 meters, and angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Okay. These are the dimensions given. Find area of the park. This is the question given to you. To solve this problem, what we will do? Let us draw a rough figure to solve this problem. That will be helpful for you. Let me draw a rough figure. Okay. P, Q, R. Yes, you know that always the naming should be given either in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. What are the given things? Let me first substitute this one. PQ 5 cm. Okay, 5 meter in front. QR 12 meter. This is 12 meter. RS is 17 meters. This is 17 meters. And PS is equals to 10 meters. PS is equals to 10 meters. And angle Q is equals to 90 degree. This is. My dear children, what I will do now? At once, I cannot find the area of a quadrilateral, right? Because using the Heron's formula, I have to find means the Heron's formula can be applied only for a triangle, not for a quadrilateral. So what I will do? I will divide that quadrilateral into two parts by drawing a diagonal. Why I will draw the diagonal here only? Why can't I join here? I would have joined anywhere, but I am going to join here because this is 90 degree and I can find the length of this using the Pythagoras theorem. So I can find this. Then these three measurements will be known. I can find the area of the first triangle. These three measurements will be known. I can find the area of the second triangle. So first what I will do? I will find the length of PR using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, I can say PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. This is because of Pythagoras theorem. This is because of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, PR square, I have to find the PR square is equals to PQ square. This is 5 square, QR square is 12 square. It is 25 plus 144 is equals to 169. What is equals to? PR square is equals to. Therefore, PR is equals to square root of 169. Answer is 13 meters. With this, what I found? I found the diagonal as 13 meters. Now I have two triangles. This is the first triangle and this is the second. Let me start with the first triangle. In triangle, which triangle is? PQR. In triangle PQR. First I have to find the area of this. My dear students, this triangle are getting 60 by 2, nothing but 30 centimeters, 30 meters square. But I will show you solving this problem by using the Heron's formula. Okay, you can definitely do with this half into base into height method the examination. But since I am teaching Heron's formula, let me solve this problem. This is possible here only half into base into height because angle is 90. That what we can't do here. This is in this case you have definitely go for Heron's formula. But since here 90 degrees there, you are having one option. You can go for half into base into height. But let me solve in the Heron's formula. Okay, pick your yes is equals a plus b plus c divided by 2 semi-perimeter. A plus b plus c. It is 5 plus 12 plus 13 divided by 2. It is 25 plus 5, 30 by 2. Answer is 15 meters. What is this? Semi-perimeter. Now I will find the area of the first triangle. S is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Under root S means what? 15. 15 into 15 minus A, 15 minus 5, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12. In S minus C, 15 minus 13, 15 minus 10, which is equals to under root 15 into 15 minus 5, 10, 15 minus 12, 3, 15 minus 13 is 2. I can write this 5 3s are, this says 5 2s are into 3 into 2. 3 5s are there, 1 5 will come out, 2 3s are there, 1 3 will come out, 2 2s are there, 1 2 will come out, 15 2s are 30 meters square is the answer. Answer for what? This is the answer of the one part of the quadrilateral, means one triangle I got. Now what I will do? I will go for the second triangle. What is that? In triangle PRS. In triangle PRS, S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C, it is 10 plus anything, 17 plus 13 divided by 2. 30 plus 10, 40 by 2, nothing but 20 meters. What is that? S, semi-perimeter. Again, I will apply the values here, which is equals to under root S, 20 into 20 minus 10, 20 minus 17, 20 minus 30. 20 minus 10, S minus B, 20 minus 17, S minus C, 20 minus 30, which is equals to under root 20 into 10 into 3 into 7, which is equals to under root. I can write this as 10 2s are this 10 as it is because 2 10s will be there, 1 10 will come out into 3 into 7. Out of this, there are 2 10s are there, 1 10 will come out under 6 7s are 42 meters square. At last, I can write therefore area of PQRS. The entire quadrilateral is nothing but sum of the two triangles. This triangle area already I got it as 30 plus this is 10 under root 42. Don't add it. It cannot be 40. No, you can keep this much meter square is the answer. If you want the more accurate answer, you have to find the square root of 42. Multiply to 10, then add to 40. That much is not required for you. At the class 9 level, you can keep the answer as it is. That is the end of the problem. Let's go for one more problem. The problem is little lengthy, but it has a is used for advertisement. Advertisement is used for advertisement. I will explain the meaning. Don't worry. First you write. Used for advertisement. The sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle are 100 meter, 100 meter and 160 meters. If the company use that wall for 3 months, at the rate of rupees 4,000 per year per meter square, find the amount to be paid by the company for using the wall for its advertisement. Problem is lengthy. Lot of things are needed to understand this. So first let me explain you. Later we can write. Everybody might have seen the flyover. Flyover means down there is a road, and above that one more road will be made, so that in order to reduce the traffic. But that is not a part of our problem. What I want to say here, see here. This is the main road, and say this is a flyover. This portion of the wall is used for advertisement. It may be some company has used this wall for its advertisement. Say it may be shoes, it may be any dress material. Some company has used so that more people are moving here. For that purpose, they have used that wall for the advertisement. Okay, the dimensions are given. Let me call that part as A, B and C. The dimensions are 100, 100, 160. I will say this is 160, this is 100 and this is also 100. My work is, I have to first find what is the area of this wall which is used for the advertisement. Because what they say, the company has to pay rupees 4,000 per year per meter square. That means you will find for this much area how much company has to pay. For that say, I will find first area of triangle ABC. I have to find. For that I need S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 160 plus 100 plus 100 divided by 2. How much it is? 200, 300, 360. It is 360 divided by 2. Answer is 180 meters. What is this 180 meters? It is the semi-perimeter. Now let me write. S is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S minus C. Okay. Which is equal to under root. Come on. 180 into S is 180. Then it is S minus A, 180 minus 160, 180 minus 100, again it is 180 minus 100. Okay, let me continue here, which is equals to under root 180, see properly, into, this is 20, this is 80, again into 80. Listen to me, my dear children, listen. There are two 80s. I am not at all going to split that 80 because two 80s are available. So those two 80s together makes 180 out. 180 out. Under root, I will make this as 90. No, I will write 9 into 20. 180 means 9 into 20. Any advantage? Any advantage of writing like this? Yes, because one more 20 is available here, into 20. So these two 20s together, what happens? They will bring 120 out. 80 into 2 20s are bringing 120 out into 9 is what? A perfect square. What is come out? 3 has come out. So it is 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 0 0, 4,800 meters square. What is this? This is the area of that wall which is used for the advertisement. Okay, now let me find what will be its cost for 1 year. So I will write cost of advertisement for 1 year. Why 1 year? They say 4,000 per year per meter square. For 1 meter square, it is 4,000 means for that much meter square, how much? I will write for 1 year equals to, I will write 4,800 into 4,000 into 4,000. Why? 1 meter square, 4,000 rupees. That much meter square, how much of this? It is exactly 4,800 into 4,000. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. 4 8s are 32, carry 3, and it is 19. It is 19. It is 1 crore 92 lakhs. This much is the amount. 1 crore 92 lakhs. For how much year? For 1 year. But company has not used it for whole year. What they say? The company has used the wall for only 3 months. The company has not used that wall for the whole year, just for 3 months. So where the students are making the mistake, they will think that for 1 year this much means for 3 months how much? Divided by 3. Answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Keep in mind, it is not divided by. This is amount for what? This is the amount for whole year. If the company used that wall for a whole year, they would have paid 1 crore 92 lakhs provided they are using the wall for the whole year. But they use it for 3 months. So how to find that? They may ask you for 3 months, they may ask you for 4 months. That is secondary. But how to solve is important for us. So I will tell you the method. Whether it is 3 months, 2 months, 4 months, 5 months, whatever the problem it is, you can solve it. I will write now, therefore, cost for 3 months. I am telling you, in this product I have asked for 3 months, the question will ask for 6 months also. But you should understand what is the method. See, what I will do. 1 crore 92 lakhs, 1 crore 92 lakhs into, they use it for 3 months too. I will write into 3 divided by 12. Very simple. Why divided by 12? Whole year means 12 months. Out of 12 months, they have used 3 months. In case the question was asked for 2 months, what you have done? Into 2 divided, this 12 will be fixed. This 12 will be that much will come in the numerator. If they ask what is you for 6 months, it is 6 by 12. Okay, now 1s are, 4s are, 4 ones are, see here, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 3 left to 32, 4 8s are 32, 0 0 0 0 0. That means the cost for 3 months is equals to rupees 48 lakhs. 48 lakhs. This is the end of the problem. Let's go for one more problem. I will write the problem, I will explain you, and those who have understood the problem, they can pause the video and you can solve yourself, and others you can see the video, try to understand. The problem is like this: a triangle and a parallelogram. Triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base, and same area. They are on the same base and same area. Means triangle and parallelogram, they are on the same base, also they are having the same area. Sides of the triangle are say 41 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. If base of parallelogram is 15 centimeter, find height of the parallelogram. Let us draw a figure and let me explain you what they say. They say this is a triangle ABC and this is a parallelogram. Say PQRS. They say they are on the same base. They are having the same base. They are the triangle and the parallelogram are having the same base and same. They are having the same base. What is the base? Base of the parallelogram is 15 centimeter. This is also 15 centimeter. This is also 15 centimeter. Okay, they are having the same base. The sides of the triangle are 41, 15, 28. Already I have written 15 here. That means other two sides are 41 and 28. These are the three sides of the triangle. This is the base of the parallelogram. What they are asking you to prove, you to find. They are asking what is the height of the parallelogram. Problem is simple. Find the area of the triangle using the Heron formula. Whatever the area you are getting, that is the area of the parallelogram also, because they have the same area. They have very clear triangle and parallelogram are having the same base also, same area also. That means whatever the area you are getting here, that will be the area of parallelogram also. You know the formula to find area of a parallelogram is base into height. Area is known, base is known, height you can find. Okay? Those who have understood, start solving. Others, look at it. Let me first find area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC I have to find. But before that, let me first find semi-perimeter. Yes. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is A plus B plus C divided by 2. 41 plus 50 plus 28 divided by 2. 40, 50, 50, 70, 83, 84. 84 divided by 2, answer is 42 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Now you can go in for the formula. Area of the triangle is equals to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is equals to 42. It is 42 into 42 minus a, 41. 42 minus b, it is 15 into, it is 42 minus 28. 42 minus 20. Under root, in fact, everything is under root, which is equals to under root 42 into 1 into, this is 42 minus 15. Is it 27? 27, 37, 42, okay, into, this is how much? 14, 38, 42, yes, which is equals to under root 42. I will write 14 threes. I would have written 7 sixes, but I will prefer 14 threes because 114 is already here. So I will write 14 threes. 27 I will write 9 threes. 14 I will keep it as it is. What happens? 2 14s are there. So 114 will come out from the square root. 2 3s are there. 1 3 has come out. 9 is a perfect square. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. That means every term has come out from the square root. That means this is definitely a perfect square and the square root is here. 14 3s are 42. 42 3s are, that means 42 3s are 126 centimeters square. What is this? This is the area of the triangle. But what they ask you, find the height of the parallelogram. What I can write now, therefore, I am directly coming from here. From here I will jump to this. Therefore, area of parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is also equals to 126 centimeter square. Why? Because they say they are having the same base and same area. So these two areas are same. Now I can say area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Area is known to us, is 126 is equals to, base is known, how much? 15. Height is, I have to find. Divide. 126 divided by 15 is equals to height. 3 5s are, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Therefore, h is equals to 42 by 5. 4 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 42, 20. 5 4s. It is height is equals to 8.4 centimeter is the answer. This is another problem. Let me explain you. Once again, same thing. Those who have understood with this problem, you can solve yourself. Each side of a grass field, which is in the shape of a rhombus. You know that the property of rhombus? Rhombus means all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. This is a field in the shape of a rhombus. Let me call it as PQRS. PQRS. What do they say? Each side, which is in the shape of rhombus, each side of the grass field is 20 centimeters. This is 20. This is 20. Everywhere is 20. And its longer diagonal is, see, you know that the diagonals are unequal in the case of a rhombus. This is the shorter diagonal and this is the longer diagonal. They say the length of the longer diagonal is 30 meters. This is 30 meters. Okay. Further they say, in this grass field, 12 cows are allowed for the grazing. So when 12 cows are allowed in this rhombus shaped field, each cow how much area it is getting for grazing. That means first I will find out the area of the grass field. Directly I can't find because I don't have any formula I can apply the Heron's formula here. This is the first triangle. You apply Heron's formula for this. Multiply it by 2. Multiply it by 2. Okay. Once you find the area of these two, add those two, you are getting the area of the rhombus. Then divide that answer by 12 because 12 curves are allowed inside. So you can divide it by 12. Whatever the answer you are getting, that is the area of each curve. How much area that each curve can grace. Now you can pause the video, start solving, check your answer at the end. Come on, I will start. Come on, what can be done? I will start in triangle. I will apply for one triangle. Heron's formula I will apply for first triangle. PQR. In triangle PQR. First let me find out the semi-perimeter. Yes, S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is 20 plus 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. And nothing but 40, 70 by 2. Answer is 35. What is this 35 meters? That is a semi-perimeter. Yes. Now I can find area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. I can substitute the values. S is 35. 35 into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is 35 minus 20. Again 35 minus 20 into 35 minus 30 minus. I can simplify further under root 35 into this is 15 into again 15 into this is 5. I will not make any changes in this 15 and 15 because out of 2 15s, 1 15 will come out into bracket. I will write this 35 and 7 5s are because one more 5 is here. It is 7 5s are 35 into 5. Out of these 2 5s, 1 5 will come out. It is 15 into this 5 has come out under root 7. The final answer is 75 under root 7 meter square. Meter square. That is the area of one part. Same is repeated here, duplicate. Because whatever the area is here, same area is here also because this is also 20, this is also 20, this is also 30. That means same area will be repeated. So I directly write, therefore, area of rhombus is equals to 2 into 75 root 7. Answer is 150 root 7 meter square. What is that? That is the area of rhombus. Now, what the question is asked? How much area will each curve is getting for grazing? Total area is this much. In this 12 curves are allowed to graze. What about the share of each? I will write. Therefore, area for each curve for grazing. Grazing means eating the grass, which is equals to total area 150 root 7 divided by 12. Divided by 12. If you simplify, what is the answer you are getting? It is 3 4s up, 3 5s up, 2 2s up, 2 25s up. Okay, so answer is 25 by 2, 25 by 2 root 7 meters square. Meter. This much is the area of each curve. This can be kept it as it is 25 by 2 into root 7 meter square. And each area of each curve, what they are getting for grazing. Okay. Okay, students. Let us go for one more problem. Looks to be very simple one. Let me explain. An umbrella is made with two different colors. Two different 16 centimeter. Let me write. This is 40. This side is 40. This side is also 40. And this side is how much? 16 centimeter. Okay, this is our triangular. Okay, triangular in shape. 40, 40, 16 are the measurement of each piece. Find the area of each colored cloth for making the umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Let me continue the problem. If there are 10 triangular pieces, 10 triangular pieces in that umbrella. If there are 10 triangular pieces, if there are 10 pieces, triangular pieces are there, they are asking you how much area of each colored cloth is for making that umbrella. If there are 10 triangular pieces in that umbrella, all together there are 10 pieces. That means 5 pieces of red color and 5 pieces of the blue color. Okay, they are asking you how much area is required, how much area of cloth is needed for making that umbrella. Okay, let me start. First, let me find area of one cloth. Semi-perimeter S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is 40 plus 16 divided by 2. 96 divided by 2. Answer is 48 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Let me find out the area. S is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equals to under root. S means 48. 48 into 48 minus A minus 40. 48 minus again 40. 48 minus it is 16 minus 16, which is equals to under root. Under root it is 48 into 48 minus 40 is 8. Again it is 8. Again it is 48 minus 16. That is it is 32. Let me check. 32 plus 16 is equals to 48. Yes. And the answer is there are 2 8s. I will take 1 8 out. 1 8 out I will take. This I will write it as 16 threes because 16 is a perfect square. Let me write it as 16 threes. These 2 8s have come out here. This I will write it as, how I can write it? I can write it as 16 twos. 16 is a perfect square. 4 will come out. 8 into 4 into, again 16 is a perfect square, 4 will come out, 4 under what is left out, 3 and 2, it is 6. So it is 8 4s are 32, 32 4s are, 32 4s are, is it 128? 32 4s are 128, okay, 128 under 6 centimeters square. This is area of one triangular piece. One triangular piece. What they ask you? Find the area of each colored cloth for making umbrella. If there are 10 triangular pieces in that umbrella. Totally there are 10 pieces. That means each color 5 pieces are there. I can write now. Therefore what? Area of cloth, area of each colored cloth, area of each colored cloth. My dear children, what is this? It is the area of each piece, each triangular piece, this is the area. Now what I want to find? Area of each there are 5 pieces of one color, I can say which is equals to 128 root 6 into 5. In this multiplication, 128 and 5 will be multiplied, root 6 will be kept as it is. It is 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 14, carry 1, and it is 6. 640 under root 6 centimeter square is the answer. My dear children, this is the answer of each colored cloth. In case they ask you for the whole umbrella, irrespective of color, for the whole umbrella, how much cloth is needed? Then you would have multiplied 128 which is multiplied by 10. Because there are 10 pieces are there. But now they ask you each colored how much cloth is required. So you can say 1640 root 6 centimeter square is the area of each colored cloth. Note it down.